Welcome back, Airkewld Army. It's your friend Pete from Airkewld, here to talk about our 6-shooter clutch adjustment nut. New for 2020, we have our new powder coated black ones. So no longer on the red, we now have raw steel, stainless steel, and powder coated black. The evolution of this 6-shooter nut was something that you could grip, you know, as you turn it and make increments. Like, it's easier than trying to turn a wing nut, you know, like have that kind of that feel. It just doesn't really conducive. So it's the same 7mm internal thread, and on the raw ones you have to paint them, powder coat them, chrome them, do something with them. But they have the little football indentation on the back, so as you lobe it, it'll fall back into the little clutch arm. Pretty easy. We include instructions with them. It's a pretty simple deal. $24.95 for the raw, $29.95 for the black, $49.95 for the stainless steel. Anywhere in the US, free shipping. We can ship in it anywhere in the world. Check out down below for direct links to our website, where you can check out and get one today. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day.
Like the world's getting on.